Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'll be taking you through how to create a moving cloud effect on VN video editor. So just sit back, watch in details the way I'll be creating it, how I'll be using the maxing tools, and I'll be using the keyframe as well to do a slight zoom in on the cloud. And just watch, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave your comments.